Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, Accenture has launched a free certification course which is into software developer program, and this program is totally free of cost, and yes, it is approximately for 2 to 3 hours duration of course where you will get certification after the course. And yes, when you enroll you will learn real life experiences from Accenture and practical experiences basically. So let's move on to the course details quickly and discuss in detail. So guys, as you can see here, Accenture developer program, so you can improve, enhance your skills and learn and explore new skills into this program. So let's discuss in detail. So why to join this developer program we'll discuss. So basically the benefits of enrolling, getting yourself enrolled into this program is earn a certificate. Yes, this is a free of cost certification program, and yes, you get the certification also. Set yourself up to the success. Obviously you learn new skills and all, so you would be definitely you would enhance your skills, and yes, learn direct from Accenture. So the course which is designed for you people is directly from Accenture leaders who have been creating this kind of videos now. Modules basically, so gain real work experience. Like I said before, that you'll gain real life real work experience, especially from Accenture itself. And yes, since it's a 2 to 3 hours course, you can like manage your own time, and yes, you can complete your course. So these are all benefits to get into enrolled in this program. Now, so what will you learn and what will you do in this program? So you have architecture, and yes, you what you learn in architecture you can go through it. Then you have basically then you have programming skills you will learn in this. Then you have testing. Then after testing you have security part which you will be learning here, and then artificial intelligence which you will be doing. So this is a complete package, you can say, where you will be learning a lot of parameters and topics basically. And yes, which is like under this also, like for example architecture, you'll be define technical requirements and everything, then specifications and diagrams, design how to design change to an existing architecture. You will be working and evaluating design decisions. Then scale on premise system infrastructure to the cloud also you will be working here, like evaluating options to run software. So this is basically for the architecture sub parameters or sub topics, you can say, they will be covering up. Next is into programming. You will understand the codings and basics of codings, debugging algorithm, etc. So you can go through it. So now let's discuss how to register. You can like register here, then you have to sign up with email or Google. You can do it after creating an account. You just need to fill in your details. You can change your name and everything, and then complete registration. You will have like 4 steps. Quick questions: why do you want to experience program? Fine, I want to gain practical career knowledge. Why? This is something they'll ask you certain questions. Then which degree type applies you? You can just go through it. I am just randomly ticking. And then when did you start your career in current degree? 2021 or etc. Get started. So this is your welcome to Accenture the Nordic Development Program. Now, where did you hear? So these are the very basic tasks you can complete. Like it is like watch the video, get background info and context, get details of your task, view resources, and then submit your work. So this task has been started. You can go through it. You can just you can learn through the videos, go through the videos, and then attend. So this is how you are going to enroll as soon as possible, guys. And any doubts or queries, do mention me. So finally, guys, you have seen that this course is totally free of cost, and yes, you will get a certification from Accenture as well. So yeah, do apply for it, and yes, enroll as soon as possible before the link gets expired. Also do share with your friends just in case you have any doubts or queries. Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the red color button. For every videos I come up with, you get to know the notification. Till then, guys, bye, have a great day.